A psychological thriller is a thriller story which emphasizes the unstable psychological states of its characters. It often incorporates elements of and overlaps the story with mystery, drama, action, slasher, and horror genres. There are a lot of movies that encompass this genre in Bollywood but get very little appreciation. Reliving the best of the best, here is Tried and Refused Productions with top 10 best Bollywood psychological thrillers. Amir, a movie extremely similar to the Filipino movie Kevite, is also an underrated psychological thriller, an introduction to Rajiv Khandelwal, who does nothing but impress in his portrayal of the innocent Dr. Amir Ali.
अबे लंगड़ा हो गया क्या लकवा मार गया चल
Stuck by circumstances with a mysterious phone call where all orders have to be abided by as his family is under custody. Nail-biting pace, this movie will keep you on the edge of your seats. Karthik Calling Karthik. Directed by Vijay Lalwani and starring Deepika Padukone and Farhan Akhtar in lead roles, Karthik Calling Karthik is another commendable entry in the psychological thriller genre. An introvert lacking confidence doing an average job has had enough and wants to make major amends in his life.
मैं तुम्हारे डिपॉजिट से 10,000 काट रहा हूँ लिफ्ट की रिपेयर के लिए
मेरे डिपॉजिट से
क्या लिफ्ट नहीं इस्तेमाल करते हो ना
A phone call seems to give all the answers, but there's always a catch. Shocking revelations and psychological takes on human behavior, this movie is a must-watch. Murder 2. In my opinion, the best murder movie in the entire franchise, this movie has one of the most surprising, compelling, and edge-of-the-seat storylines. A movie focusing on the unexplained disappearance of prostitutes and various links leading up to the introduction of Prashant Narayan's character Dheeraj Pandey, who is phenomenal in the movie.
नहीं सर, मैंने तो बोला गाड़ी मेरे अंकल की है। अच्छा, पता नहीं क्या हो गया मुझे।
Watch this movie for the interrogations, the acting, and the creepy, scary, and horrifying second half. No Smoking. Another movie written and directed by Anurag Kashyap isn't appreciated for the gem it actually is. The film is loosely based on the short story Quitters Inc. by Stephen King. The story follows Kay, played by John Abraham, a self-obsessed narcissist chain smoker who agrees to kick his habit to save his marriage and visits a rehabilitation center.
अगर मन मजबूत है तो आत्मा पे काबू पा सकते हो यदि मन कमजोर है तो ये बेकाबू आत्मा को फिर झाड़ फूंक कर मुक्त करना पड़ता है
The movie follows elements of surrealism, fantasy, horror, and dark humor. And if you are into getting really mind-blown, this movie is for you. Talwar. Directed by Meghna Gulzar and written by Vishal Bharadwaj, Talwar is based on the 2008 double murder case in Noida, in which a teenage girl and her family servant were found murdered, and her parents were convicted for the crime. You may believe whatever happened in the actual case, but the movie's portrayal of complacency, corruption, and sheer ignorance during investigations is eye-opening, and the movie has a powerful method of pulling your emotional strings. Divangi. Directed by Anis Bazmi and loosely based on the 1996 Richard Gere movie Primal Fear, Divangi is also a classic not given its due credit. With one of the best performances by Ajay Devgan, Divangi focuses on a lawyer who takes up a case of an individual suffering from split personality disorder.
बकवास करती हरामखोर चीर के रख दूंगा
The movie has such an intense exchange among actors and a storyline that keeps you guessing. Watch it cause trust me, you won't believe how it ends. Drishyam. The film is the remake of Jeetu Joseph's 2013 Malayalam film Drishyam. The best thing about this genre is that you keep guessing the outcome till the very end. Drishyam does exactly that. Following the death of the Inspector General's son, the entire movie revolves around finding out who truly is the culprit and what led to such events.
मेरा बेटा कहाँ है?
मुझे नहीं पता। हम लोग तो घर पे थे ही नहीं।
From jaw-dropping twists and turns and great performances, Drishyam is a must-watch for everyone. Ek Hasina Thi. A movie directed by Sriram Raghavan and produced by Ram Gopal Verma has one of the most underrated performances by Urmila Matondkar and Saif Ali Khan. A story about a romantic relationship which the woman does not foresee to be set up in order to get her embroiled in crime and jail time is one of the best psychological thrillers in Bollywood.
पहली बार जब मैं तुमसे मिला तो सिर्फ तुम्हारे साथ सोना चाहता था, लेकिन अब लगता है एक बार प्यार कर ही लूं.
See it for the performances and the crazy nature and journey of revenge. Being Cyrus. Another highly underrated movie, Being Cyrus, is one of the most subtle psychological thrillers in Bollywood. A movie revolving around a dysfunctional Parsi family. Cyrus, played by Saif Ali Khan, enters this entire mess and is instructed to carry out horrible deeds for individual ulterior motives.
Leo Tolstoy once said, "All happy families resemble one another. Each unhappy family is unhappy in its own way."
With one of the craziest plot twists and its endearing dark comedy, Being Cyrus had to make it in the list. Before we discuss the number 1 position, here are some honorable mentions.
मिस्टर मल्होत्रा घर पर है?
कौन?
मिस्टर मल्होत्रा?
यहाँ कोई मल्होत्रा नहीं रहते.
What?
बता ना क्या बोल रही तू उसका हैं?
विद्या बागची.
नहीं विद्या, वी नॉट अ बी.
मैंने कलकत्ता में विद्या सब है, सेम फीलिंग.
सब मेरे को बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं सिर्फ कहाँ है किधर है. मैं कसम खा कहता साहब माँ की मेरे को बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं.
बहुत प्यारा बच्चा है, मैं इसको लेने आई हूँ. लेकिन दामला किधर है? जी वो आ नहीं सके, उनकी तबीयत खराब हो गई.
Ugly. A movie written and directed by the king of psychological thrillers, Anurag Kashyap, Ugly is a movie centered around the kidnapping of a 10-year-old daughter of a struggling actor.
कौन सी पिक्चर में काम किया तू?
अभी तक नहीं किया.
कब करेगा? हाँ?
How the world in this day and age of corruption, greed and pure evil is ready to demand a piece of their pie. Watch this movie for the real portrayal of people we see on our daily life, the adversity we face and the unexpected twists and turns. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if there were some movies that we missed out on. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you so much for watching.